Genesis again, and today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you guys how to make pizza. So what you're going to be needing is pizza dough, any type of brand, it doesn't matter, some flour, some tomato sauce or pizza sauce, pepperoni, a spoon, a roller, and some cheese. So the first thing that you want to do is get your pizza dough and you want to take it all out. So once it's all out, you want to make sure that it's in the middle. And what you want to do is get your flour. And what you want to do with your flour is you don't want to get too much, but you want to get like a sprinkle of it, and you want to put it onto your dough. This is just so when you roll it out, it doesn't like stick to the thing. Okay, so then you want to get your pan quick, because then if you don't do it quick, then your thing is just gonna fall down and then just like stretch. And you don't want that. You want it to be a nice circle. I think I'm almost happy, you guys, with how my circle looks. Don't you guys think? Okay guys, so I actually think that I'm done. So what you want to do is you want to get your pizza sauce or tomato sauce. Okay, so once you're done with that, you want to get your cheese right here. And you just want to grab some and just sprinkle it all over your pizza. want to make cheese pizza, then you would just leave it like that. But I want to make pepperoni pizza. So I'm going to add in some pepperoni. You could add in as many pepperonis as you want. I'm going to start off with this many. Then I could fit one more. Or maybe I could move this one right there. I could fit two more. Okay, the last one will be for me. So yeah, my pizza looks like this now. So then what you would want to do is bake it. So let's go bake it. My pizza, it's done now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you get notified every single time I make a video and hit that notification bell. Bye guys, have a good day. Mwah.